This is a full plantain plantation here, and there are many plantain stems here, and a lot of things plantain can do for you to drop the cost of feeding your poultry and livestock birds almost to zero level. In this video, you watch out and see what we can do with it.
Hello, you are welcome to another interesting topic. Look at this properly well. Look at this very well. You can see this. Are you seeing this? You can see it. This is plantain. This is plantain stem. This is banana stem. This is the main stem itself. The plantain and banana stem are rich in various minerals and nutrients that can be beneficial to poultry and livestock animals. Here are some of the key nutrients this particular can serve you in your poultry and livestock animals. You have the minerals, you have the calcium. The calcium is good for development of egg and egg formation. We have the potassium, which is very important for muscle function and nerve transmission, and at the same time maintaining fluid balance in poultry and livestock. It has magnesium. Magnesium is necessary for muscles, energy production, and bone health. It has phosphorus. Phosphorus is very, very essential for bone development, energy metabolism, and nutrient utilization in poultry and livestock animals. It has iron. Iron is good for oxygen transport in the blood and overall growth development in poultry and livestock animals. It has zinc. Zinc is essential and very important for immune function and wound healing. And at the same time, it is good in protein metabolism. It has magnesium. Magnesium is very essential for bone formation, for metabolization and oxidation of food in poultry and livestock animal. It has copper also. Copper is good for iron metabolism, connective tissues formation, and at the same time immune function in poultry and livestock animal. It has selenium. Selenium is very good antioxidant and is important for immune function and thyroid health. It has vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B6, it has vitamin K, it has vitamin B9. B6 is very important for protein metabolism, for immune function, and at the same time for nerve system function. It has vitamin C, which acts as antioxidant and is very important for immune function and collagen synthesis in poultry. It has vitamin A, which is good for vision, immune function, and skin and feather health. It has vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and bone formation. It has folate, which is vitamin B9, essential for cell division, growth, and red blood cell formation. It has other nutrients like fiber. Fiber is very important for digestive health and nutrient absorptions. It has protein, very essential for growth and muscle development and overall health of your poultry and livestock animal. It has carbohydrate, which you know is one of the essential products for feed formulation, which provides energy for all activities and metabolizable processes in poultry and livestock animal. All these nutrients are very important in poultry, very important in your livestock animals, and at the same time you cannot do without all these minerals and vitamins in your poultry feed. If you do that, your poultry birds are going to lack all this and it's going to affect their health system. Now, this can serve two purposes. Watch out. It can serve two purposes. One, we can use the extract from this particular stem. We can use the extract from this particular stem. We can at the same time feed this stem directly to the livestock animals through passing this through the machine. You're going to watch me now. We're going to pass this through the machine. You see how the machine is going to slice it to a format, to as if it is a pellet that chicken and other poultry livestock animals can easily eat. I'll pass this through the machine now. You see how it is being processed with the machine. You can as well, if you don't have the machine, you can as well use knife and slice it into smaller units like this. Smaller units. Poultry in a format that poultry, chicken, depending on their age, please slice it in smaller format like this. They will be in smaller units. They like this, but it is very, very delicious. It is palatable to poultry and livestock animals. But behold, you don't have the machine. Use your knife or use your glitter and do what? The way you glitter and crush your okra and other things. This is the same way. You can see this. You can see it. Poultry and livestock animals like this. You can use it to feed your goats. You can see it. You can use it to feed your chicken, the turkey, the geese, the dog. If I throw this to the dog now, you see how they will rush it. Then if you slice it into pieces, into smaller units, the chicken can easily pick them. You can as well include them and use them to mix their feed. It's going to reduce the cost of feeding your poultry and livestock animals, to drop it in a way that you will make enough profit. Because of all these vitamins and other nutrients this particular plantain and banana stem has, is going to do what? Be balanced. And at the same time, if you need a feed formula on this, please drop it on the comment section that I need a feed formula on how to use this to do what? To produce poultry and livestock feed. If you need this, I need a comment. If many people demand for it, I will make a very good feed formula for you, and at the same time use it to formulate feed that you can use. This stem is free. You see it all over. It's even a waste. So what you do is make use of them, and at the same time drop the cost of your feed. Stop crying that feed is too expensive only because you don't know how to formulate the feed. With this, you can drop the cost of your feed.
Yes. Oh,
This is plantain stem, and you can use it to produce both chicken feed, any livestock, both feathered and four-legged animals like goat, sheep, cow, cattle, ram, and rest of them. You can still use it to produce chicken or feathered birds feed. They can eat this completely 100% without any adverse effect on their health. This is plantain stem. You can use plantain stem and you can use banana stem. It has vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B4, B6, B9. It has minerals like calcium, magnesium, iron. Iron is very good for their blood transport and oxygen transport in the blood. While calcium is also good for their bone and also good for egg laying birds. It makes their egg shell to be strong. It has a lot of vitamins and a lot of minerals, but I cannot stay here and complete this particular video because I don't want it to be too long. Watch now how you slice it. This is, once you cut this off, you peel it off and make sure you wash it. Let it be very neat. Let it be very neat. Once it's neat, you now place it into the machine. This machine is called cutting machine. This cutting machine will slice it to the extent that these animals will eat it easily without finding it very difficult. You can see this. I'm going to place this in the machine now, and you're going to see how it's going to work. At the end, you can use it either to mix it with their feed, or you give it to them raw. Most especially four-legged animals like goat, sheep, cow, pig, rabbit, and rest of them, they can eat this directly. Only chop it off like this, in smaller shape, in smaller form like this. Chop it for them like this. After chopping it, you give it to them. If you don't have the machine, use ordinary knife. For this goat now, you can see it. You can see it. Chop it off for them. Then if it's for feather birds, what you do is you place it in the machine, the cutting machine. The cutting machine will cut it for you completely, and you mix it with their feed. This will help you to reduce the cost of feeding your poultry and livestock birds and make it easier for you to make enough profit that will sustain your business.
now let's take it to the machine and you see how the machine is going to blend it off for poultry birds to eat. Here, this is the blending and grinding process. Here you can see how the machine is cutting this and slicing it into pieces to enable the poultry and livestock animals eat it with ease. This is the cutting process of the plantain and banana stem. You can see how the machine is cutting it. You can see it. This will enable it feed the poultry and livestock birds, and they will be able to eat, digest, and convert it without any issues. You can watch it now. You can see it. This is the plantain stem. The cutting process is still going on. You now mix 5% of the blended banana stem with commercial feed. or you can use the 5% to formulate your own feed and feed the chickens. You see the chickens eating the feed now. Right now, watch it.
Please, let's drop here till I will come with another interesting topic. If this is the first time I'm coming across this channel, please subscribe. Tap the notification bell so that anytime I release my interesting topic like this, you'll be among the first that will get notified by the app. Share this video to your friends, share it to your relatives, share it to your platforms. Don't watch alone. Make sure you share to help another farmer. Bye for now.